National Unified Software (NUS) for Agriculture and Rural Development Banks (ARDBs), a Government of India sponsored project. Welcome. Guidance video to Field Verification Report (FVR). In this video, we will discuss about the process of filling FVR. FVR, the third stage in computerization of ARDBs, is a process of verifying and validating the data captured in FHR and assessment about the availability, legibility, and accuracy of books of accounts and records by visiting the ARDB and holding discussions with the CEO. Now we are in login page. Enter user ID, password, captcha, and click on login. The screen navigates to FVR dashboard, displaying the name Cox India with its logo on the top left, followed by tabs like Dashboard, FHR, FHR Summary, FVR Dashboard, FVR Summary, and at the right side, the letters uppercase A and lowercase a indicating language options, and an envelope-like icon to show the user ID logged in, stakeholders creation, change password, and logout options. The data submitted in FHR gets auto-populated in FVR for verification. In the next line, percentage of FVR completion, number of covered villages, members, and the type of building in which ARDB is functioning is displayed. Thereafter, all the 11 tabs in which data needs to be verified is available. Let's see the procedure to verify data in each step of the FVR. Click on FVR dashboard and then click on the pencil icon, basic details. Verify the data like name of the ARDB, registration number and its date, number of ARDB branches, and RO/TO/CO/ZO, PAN number, GST, address and PIN code. Verify the registration date, date of DMMIC recommendation, date of SLMIC/RCS approval, date of sanction by Ministry of Cooperation MOC, National Cooperative Database ID, that is NCD. Verify the NCD ID or the uploaded declaration by ARDB. It is mandatory to fill in all the fields marked with red asterisks. Back to FVR dashboard option is available at the right corner against the name of the stepper, may be used to get back to the FVR dashboard screen if required. Click on Save and Continue to Management and Department Details button after verifying the data. Management and Department Details. The screen shows two parts: Management Details and Department Details. Verify the data related to management details like designation, name, mobile number, and email for the given designations. Click on the Add button provided in the next row of the page to add new management details. Similarly, verify the data relating to department details in the ARDB like name of the department, main function of the department, name of HOD, mobile number of HOD, email of the HOD. Click on Add New button provided at the bottom left of the page to add new department details. The last column is action, indicated by a pencil-like icon consisting of save and cancel options upon clicking the same. Save is used after capturing the raw data. Cancel may be clicked cancel the data captured or modified in the row. Delete option is provided following the edit option in the action column itself. Previous button is provided at the bottom right of the screen, enabling to navigate to the previous stepper if required. It may be noted that the above explanation for action and previous button is applicable to the rest of the steppers in FVR. Click on the Save and Continue to Accounting Practices button provided after verifying the data. Accounting Practices. Verify the selected option from the drop-down for the fields like Accounting System Maintained, List of accounting records or ledgers maintained, separate worksheet for interest payable and receivables as on the end of the financial year, last audited financial year, audit classification, audit agency, whether PC ARDB is in profit or loss, is reconciliation of accounts with branch and HO done on regular basis, do PC ARDB prepare asset liability matrix for ALM management, verify the data in the respective field for auditor name, contact number, profit or loss in rupees for the financial year 2023-24, accumulated loss if any in rupees, an average number of transactions per day, whether relevant financial statements of the ARDB are uploaded. Click on the Save and Continue to Membership button. Membership. Verify the information captured relating to membership as on 31/3/2024, like category, number of members, total share capital in rupees. Verify whether admission number is updated in ledger or register. Language used in ledger needs to be verified based on the selection made. Further, the action column contains one more icon in addition to the icons explained earlier. It is sampling, indicated by the letter small I in red circular background, and click on it to navigate. Further, the action column contains one more icon in addition to the icons explained earlier. It is sampling, indicated by the letter I in lowercase with a red circular background, and click on it to navigate. Sample files can be uploaded by clicking on the plus sign under sample files header. It is mandatory to upload 5 sample records at random and capture the data of the sample records in the sample details screen. After capturing the data of the sample files, click on Save Sample Details button to record the data of the remaining sample files. Upon completion of the data entry of all the sample records, the red circular background for the sample icon small I turns to green color, indicating successful completion of capturing of sample records. Click on Save and Continue to Deposits button and move to the next step. Deposits. Verify the information relating to deposits. Various options like category of deposits, deposit product, aggregate number of accounts, total outstanding in rupees, last interest posted date. Verify whether the admission number is updated in the ledger or register. Language used in the ledger needs to be verified based on the selection made. Further, the action column contains one more icon in addition to the 3 icons explained earlier. It is definition. Definition is the parameters for the deposit products that has to be captured by clicking on it. Click on Save Product Definition after typing in the required required information and get back to the previous. Upon filling data in the product definition screen, the red circular background for the product definition icon indicated by a paper-like picture turns green, confirming successful capture of data. Click on Add button to add new deposit details if any. Follow the explanation published in earlier steppers for icons like edit, sampling, delete in the action column. Click on Save and Continue to Lending button to save the data. Lending. Data relating to loans as on 31/3/2024 will be verified here under categories like category of loans, name of the loan product, total number of accounts active, total amount of outstanding, and last interest posted date. Verify whether the admission number is updated in the ledger or registered. Language used in the ledger needs to be verified depending on the selection made. Applicable government scheme may be verified from the available options. Further, product definition for lending has 3 tabs. 1. Application and sanction process. 2. Post-sanction process. 3. Collection portion. In application and sanction process, fill in the information relating to the loan product under application level parameters and sanction level parameters. Click on Next to navigate to post-sanction process and fill in the information relating to the loan product under account and disbursement parameters and demand and repayment parameters. Click on Next to move to Collection Apportion tab. Fill in the existing sequence of collection apportion. After selecting the sequence of collection apportion, click on Save Product Definition to get back to the lending screen. Upon filling data completely for product definition and sampling, the respective icons turns green, confirming successful capture of data. Upon filling data completely for product definition and sampling, the respective icons turns green, confirming successful capture of data. Click on Save and Continue to Borrowings button and move to the next step, Borrowings. Information relating to borrowings will be verified in this stepper. Verify the type of borrowing, purpose of borrowing, total number of accounts, aggregate amount of outstanding, last interest posted date. Language used in the ledger needs to be verified based on the selection. Click on Save and Continue to Investments button to save the data verified and move to the next step. Investments. Verify the data relating to investments under categories like type of investments, total number of investment accounts, total amount outstanding in rupees, name of institutions needs to be verified. Language used in the ledger needs to be verified depending on the selection. Click on Save and Continue to Hardware Infrastructure button. Hardware Infrastructure. Verify the information furnished in FHR relating to hardware, software, and extent of computerization. Kindly verify the selection for the questions between yes and or no. Check for the relevant information if the answer is yes. Verify the data, for example, like software provider, description, the existing level of computerization, handheld devices, internet service provider, the speed, etc. Click on Save and Continue to Integration button. Verify the selection for the questions with the drop-down option in the integration stepper. Verify all the selected information from the drop-down. Finally, click on Save and Continue to Summary Review page. Summary Review. All the information furnished or verified so far can be reviewed and changes required, if any, may be done at this stage. Note, all the icons in action column should change from red color to green color indicating successful validation of data. Then submit button at the bottom right will be enabled. It is mandatory that the process questionnaire template should be downloaded, filled in, fill in all the fields in the downloaded template without leaving any. Each question in the template is provided with. Now we are showing the downloaded FVR process questionnaire template. Fill in all the columns in the process questionnaire template. Each of the questions in the template is provided with choose an item under ARDB response column for selecting the applicable answer by clicking on it. After filling all the process questions, we have to upload the filled process questionnaire in the field to the plus sign at the bottom left. After filling all the process questions, we have to upload the filled process questionnaire in the field provided to the plus sign at the bottom left of the summary page. Now download the completed FVR. Signature of the competent authority should be obtained before uploading the same. The submit button gets enabled after uploading. Click on the submit button to complete the FVR process in the Fox India platform. FVR submitted will be available to the District Cooperative Officer or Assistant Registrar of the Cooperative Department in their respective logins for their approval or resubmission before finally submitting it to the stakeholders. With this, we conclude the video on the process of filling FVR in the Fox India platform. For support, kindly email to ardbsupport@internetinfo.com. Thank you for watching the video.